Hey, what's up, YouTube? Well, today is December 8th, and today I'm having my daughter's birthday party, her first birthday party, and I'm excited about it because it's her first year. So her birthday is December 11th, but I'm having it on the 8th because it's a weekend, it's on a Saturday. So anyway, I'm sorry if I forgot to tell you, but I'm Mother of my Yacht, and I do everything Mother of my Yacht on this channel. So I just want to thank you guys for being here, and I hope you stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy everything that is going to transpire here. So right now I'm kind of in my kitchen. I have all kinds of crap on the counters. My little table back here is just filled with crap. I have her chair over there with a balloon, and then I'm in my living room area too. So anyway, it's just me, my dog, Rocco. He's up early with me. Hey, say hi, Rocco. You say hi, Rocco. So anyway, yeah. So I have my oven going, trying to get warm. So it's warming up to 350, and it is 5:27 in the morning. Her party starts at 1 o'clock. It was starting at 12, but I had to change it because I just had a rough day yesterday, and I didn't get to get anything done until later on in the day, and I just needed a little bit of extra time. So right now I'm about to start cleaning up, and we'll go through all that process. All right, YouTube, we'll be back. Definitely on a time schedule, getting everything ready, and plus I have to take in consideration that my baby's going to be waking up at least at 7. I need to get this cake in so it can cool before I put icing on it. Start this cake, and then I'll come back when I have it all ready to put it in my cupcake bins and my smash cake pan. I'm taking my scooper, my cake batter, my cupcake pan. So we're going to get this first batch in the oven. Get that going. Let's see how it turns out. OMG! Look who just came downstairs. The one and only. So whose birthday party is today? Is it your birthday party? Huh? Say, am I turning 1 on December 11th? Say yes? Yes? Just gonna take my glasses. Say hi. Say hi. Say everybody, yeah. Say welcome to my party today. We're gonna have a good time celebrating my 1-year birthday. Say 1. Keep holding it up. Then there's Daddy. Daddy is like, I gotta go get me a haircut because he has to look fly, because that's what he does. So we're in the kitchen, baking, cleaning, and look at her face. Alright, so next time you see us, I don't know, we'll be doing something, right, my aunt? Yeah! Say bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Daddy, you have anything to say?
Happy birthday.
First year. Aw, deuces. Okay, as you can see, I got the little one down here. I had to secure the bag, people. Secure the bag. Anywho, I have my cupcakes that I just pulled out. These are my last batch. Looks yum yums. Yes. And then I have her cupcakes already in the stand cooling. And I have her smash cake here cut in half. So that's ready to go and it's cool. So all I have to do is put the topping on there, which I'm gonna do whipped. People think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna do whipped cream icing. I don't like icing, so my baby don't like icing. So that's my story. Anyway, I have to go downstairs now. I have to clean the bathrooms and everything, and then I'll come back up here and I'll start on my salad. Get that in the refrigerator so that can be cold, and then I'll start really cleaning, like vacuuming and all that kind of stuff. All right, we'll be back. Oh, family's here. As you can see, I still look the same. There's my brother back here. Baby Bo. There he is, there he is.
Where you get the new camera at?
Come here at this.
Hey YouTube, make sure you subscribe.
Look at the camera, look at the people. Hey guys. Hey guys. Well, we got our pizza. Got our salad and everything. There's B-Wizzle, the daddy. There's the daddy. He gotta get in better light. There's the drink, crack. There's Papa Duck. Papa Duck is here. Oh yeah. There's all the cupcakes. Mama Duck's whipping up her batch. Who's that? Oh, that's Grandma. Oh, I'm sorry. Look, this is old school right here. Yeah, I'm old. Look at her, she whipped.
Yeah, I'm whipping. I'm old school. This is homemade. My daughter, my first year, Grandma make her cupcake.
There she is.
Yes, that's right.
There she is.
After that,
Say hi. Say thank you.
oh yeah.
You got the Pharaoh.
And that's okay. We'll be just fine.
You got the Pharaoh King.
There's the Pharaoh King. It's just funny because I look crazy. Now what did you make to the party? What did you bring to the party?
I brought the best. I brought the best.
What's the best? What's the
You
best?
gotta taste it. Then you say, ah, yeah, it's the best.
He thinks he's the best cook.
I am the best.
He still gotta prove it.
I'm so bad, I make medicine sick.
There's my mama. There she is. Here she is. Sweet Pea.
That one here.
Sweet Pea's very cute. She's my nanny. She's my nanny. My baby's hungry. She probably wants to take a nap. Aunt Alice is in the house. I'm so glad you showed up. We love Aunt Alice. Aunt Alice, she scares my aunt all the time. And then my aunt's like, oh, she's my friend. Hi. Hi. Because like that yellow man. Look at y'all. Natalie. Natalie, you finished eating your pizza? Next, I don't like, look. He's like, you ain't taking my pizza.
You want that cracker, boy?
You ain't taking my pizza. Huh? What's up?
Get it on crack.
Hi. Do you like your pizza?
You had 3 cups.
You do? You still eating? You done with it? She said she done, huh? Oh yeah. My dad like crack. I got it. Crack. I got the date on there too.
I was wondering if you
I can't forget Rocco.
tasted the
Hi
crack.
Rocco.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
She's like,
So you still good?
I said, you like your pizza? She said, Uh-oh, you about to climb the steps?
Come on down, man.
Cool and getting big.
Give her a hug, baby.
Don't kiss Maya, don't. Maya, give her my hug.
Give her
Give
a
her
hug.
my hug. Use your wings.
Can she have a hug? Oh, you're so sweet.
Maya loves hugs.
Goodness.
Give her my hug.
Can you give her one without mommy helping?
Oh.
I know, right? Out there for you hurt yourself.
Maya's making her rounds. She's making her rounds, getting all her pictures. Coco. Little Coco. My little Coco. Hey, little bunny. Hey, little bunny. Where you going, little bunny? Where you going, little bunny? I'm watching.
Yeah, I miss a little ball.
Yeah. What's that, little bunny?
She may be ready till she comes.
Yeah.
She's standing up right now.
Ooh, she's teething.
Shoot. Sit down.
Happy birthday
To Maya. All knees will bow to Maya. Happy birthday to you.
Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Maya. Yay! What's up, YouTube? Well, what can I say? The party's over. As you can see, everybody's gone. I am in cleanup mode. Yes, I am. Party went great. A lot of family came over. A lot of kids that was supposed to come didn't come because everybody was sick. So a lot of the gift bags that I had are still here. So I'll show you guys that. So I got some of my gift bags. I just put them down here on the shelf. So a lot of the kids missed out on their little gift bags. So hey, that's how it happens sometimes. But anyway, my baby had a good time and it was a nice family time day. Here's her cake. Let me flip the camera around. So she ate her first cake